Hello guys, welcome back to a new part of C programming tutorial. In today's episode, we are going to learn about how to get a value from the keyboard. That means how to input a value into a program. We can easily access a value from the keyboard using a function called scanf. We already learned about how to using printf function for reading value for printout value into your output console. Now we are going to use scanf function for read a value from the user or read a value from the system input console like your keyboard. And the scanf function is coming under this header file also, stdio.h. That means there is no need to include any other header file for using this scanf function. It is also an IO function, so it also coming under this header file called stdio.h. So here I am going to get two values from the keyboard and print it on the output screen using printf function. So for getting the two values, I just declare first variable age and declare a second variable is a string value, so declare a character array of size 25. Okay, now I am going to ask the user to enter your age and name, and later I will print the age and name using printf function. So first I have to ask the user to enter the name. Printf enter your name. Okay, so whenever user see this string enter your name, he just type his name and hit enter. So whenever he hit enter, we have to get the value from the keyboard and save that value into the variable called age. So here I am going to use a function called scanf. This is the syntax of using scanf. First you have to specify the format string corresponding to that data type. So here I am going to access the name. So name is a string value. So the format string corresponding to access or print out a string value is %s. So I using %s as format string, and you have to specify a variable name. Here the variable name is name. Enter your name and you have to specify that variable name here. Here the variable name is name. Okay, now I have to ask for enter the age. So again use the printf function, printf enter your age. Again user enters an integer value and hit the enter. So we have to save it into that variable name called age, scanf. First you have to specify that format string. Here for reading an integer value you can use the format string %d. So using %d, now you have to use a special operator called address operator. It is nothing but the ampersand symbol. This is called address operator in C program. So here we already input a string value, This is not need for a string value. That means the address operator is not need for a string value because it is not a single memory location. It is an array of memory location. That's why there is no need to specify this address operator for reading a string in C programming. So for reading other values like float, char, int, etc., you have to specify that memory location using this operator called address operator. This is the address operator used in C program. Now you have to specify that variable name. Here the variable name is age. Okay. Now put a semicolon. It is a statement, so don't forget to add a semicolon. Here I insert a slash n for printing this in a new line. Okay. So now I ask the user to enter his name and age, and I save the name into the variable called name is a character array, or it is a or simply it's a string value, and then ask for enter his age and save that into variable called age. Here I using the ampersand operator or the address operator for saving the integer value into that variable called age. Okay, now I am going to print out these two values, name and age, using printf statement. So printf, first put a slash n for new line, hello, and specify percentage yes and your age is percentage d. Okay, now specify that variable name in correct order. First I just printed that string value, so the variable corresponding to that string value is name. So put that variable here, again put a comma operator, and the second variable here, the second variable is an integer, it is age, so put that variable name, put a semicolon. Now I save the program, compile the program, there is no error. Now I'm going to run it. Yes, compile it. Now run it. Okay, actually it is an error. There is something error. Okay, undefined reference to printf. There is some spelling mistake. This is printf. There is a t is missing. Okay, save it again and compile it. Okay, now the compilation is success. Now it will ask for the name. Enter your name. I specify my name. Okay, now enter my age. I enter my age and hit enter. Now hello Prabish, and your age is 25. Okay guys, this is how we using a scanf function for read or just get some value from the keyboard. Okay, please try it yourself, and I hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel now for getting more video updates on your YouTube homepage as well as on your mailbox. Thank you for watching. See you in the next part of this tutorial.